Get ready to upgrade your outdoor living space with our ultimate roundup of the coolest, most innovative backyard gadgets worth buying this year. This expansive umbrella delivers generous shade to cover your complete backyard seating space, keeping you fully protected from the sun. If you want to generate a steady water current inside your swimming pool, this innovative device is the ultimate solution. With this high-performance cleaning brush, your barbecue grate can easily regain its original spotless appearance. It rapidly cuts through baked-on grease and heavy buildup with very little physical exertion. This router ensures a stable and dependable internet connection that reaches even the most distant spots of your outdoor yard. Bring a complete cinema experience right to your open-air patio. With this compact device, setting up an outdoor movie night requires nothing more than a blank wall or a projector screen. This convenient setup lets you quickly rinse off and refresh right in your own outdoor space. It is the ideal solution for washing up immediately after a swim in the pool or a long afternoon of gardening. This solar-powered irrigation system automatically maintains your lawn's hydration, letting you focus on other tasks while your grass stays perfectly watered. Once you experience using this efficient lawn sweeper, you will wonder why you ever wasted your time and energy working with a traditional manual rake. This highly pliable, quick-connect water hose completely resists kinking, allowing you to swap out different spray nozzles or watering attachments in just a few seconds. Enjoy authentic flames without the need for gas plumbing or electrical cords. This unit is excellent for maintaining warmth and establishing an inviting, comfortable ambiance during chilly nights. This automated robotic cleaner scrubs the pool completely on its own, allowing you to kick back and unwind while it does all the work. Surround your outdoor area with immersive audio coming from all angles. These high-fidelity speakers integrate seamlessly into your garden or landscaping, delivering rich sound while remaining completely hidden from view. This beautiful water feature instantly makes any outdoor space feel more welcoming and serene. Best of all, it operates entirely on clean, renewable solar energy. Bake restaurant-grade gourmet pizzas right in the comfort of your own backyard. This high-efficiency oven cooks your crust and toppings to absolute perfection in just a few short minutes. skip the heat of cooking indoors during the hot summer months. This portable open-air cooking station allows you to prepare and grill your favorite meals outside in complete comfort. This space-saving grill easily folds flat against the wall when you're finished cooking, freeing up valuable patio room. Once you experience its sleek design, traditional bulky grills quickly begin to look obsolete. If you want to dig perfectly uniform and tidy holes for planting flower bulbs, this specialized garden tool makes the entire process significantly faster and far less exhausting. From effortless lawn care to the ultimate open-air entertainment setups, these incredible gadgets will completely transform your backyard into a high-tech paradise.